Charlotte came to school today. Away. Be kind to self, be kind to others, be responsible, take care of our school. These are the rules at our school. Win, fall away, win, fall away. All right, we're going to read this book. We're done talking about Thanksgiving, and we're going to roll right into starting to talk about Christmas. And this book is about snowmen, and it's called Snowmen at Christmas by Carolyn Buehner, and pictures by Mark Buehner. There's a snowman at Christmas. One Christmas Eve, I made a snowman. Very fat and jolly, I dressed him up in red and green and trimmed his hat with holly. I saw his arms were trembling as if he couldn't wait. It made me start to wonder, how do snowmen celebrate? I think that while I'm snug in bed dreaming of Christmas treats, the merry snowmen slip away and hurry through the streets. They glide down snowy avenues with lamplights all aglow, the sleeping city blanketed in freshly fallen snow. They pass by toy shop windows framed with twinkling lights, pausing for a peek or two at holiday delights. The jolly snowmen gather from everywhere around for a Christmas party in the center of the town. Waving to each other, they call out cheery greetings, all their friends and family so happy to be meeting. A few merry snowmen start trimming the square. Soon holly and icicles are strung everywhere. And then, reaching high for everyone to see, they hang balls of snow on the big Christmas tree. Oh, it's pretty. The snow children play freeze tag or red rover, or climb in a stack till they wobble right over. The mothers lay out all kinds of cold treats, ice cream, snow cones, and dainty ice sweets. Oh, those snow cones look good. Then the dancing begins to the tune of a fiddle. All the snowmen line up and sashay down the middle. Someone says, "Hush! Could that be a jingle?" Then over the hill glides the snowman, Kris Kringle. There he is. He opens his sack with a jolly "ho, ho," and he pulls out their presents, each made out of snow. There's a train, Jack in the Box, robot. Santa sips his cocoa, and the reindeer romp and play, and then, with a whistle, they're off on their way. Such fun snowmen have, but there's still one more thing. With hearts full of joy, they hold hands and they sing. While the fiddler plays and the sweet silver bells ring, they sing songs about snow and the birth of a king. The children are sleepy, the grown-ups are yawning, the snowmen go home just as Christmas is dawning. They're all back in their places when Christmas Day starts, but these folks made of snow have a glow in their hearts. Their smiles are more tender, their eyes softly shine, as the snowmen dream dreams of their time. Merry Christmas. Oh. Alright, we're going to do the calendar. We're going to talk about the month. It starts with the letter N. The letter N, and letter N sounds like N. And it is called November. It's November 2020. We're going to count to this yellow day right here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Say, where is number 30? Where is number 30? Where is number 30? We have found number 30. We need to do the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Let's do our week. Sunday, Monday. It's Monday. Today is Monday, November 30th, 2020. We don't have anything special coming up, but tomorrow will be a new month. We're going to talk about it later this week, and we're going to talk about letter Y. What? What? Makes it sound like yeah. Oh, my next bear is very tired. Yawn. This is a yo-yo. Yellow yo-yo. A yellow yo-yo. Yeah. Oh, this man, he's gonna do something. Yodel. We're going to talk about it later this week, and we're going to talk about letter Y.